Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well in your studies. Dear students, as you know that we have started our chapter Human Eye and Colorful World. Students, today we will study about refraction of light through prism and dispersion of light. So let us start our first topic, which is refraction of light, and it is through prism. So for this you must know that what is refraction of light and what is a prism. Refraction of light, if you remember, we have studied in our last chapter, that is refraction of light is simply the bending of light. If this is the line which is separating two mediums, for example, upside the medium is air and downside the medium is glass. So obviously the glass having more refractive index than air. So glass is a denser medium and air is a rarer medium. So whenever the ray of light will incident on the surface, it is entering in the another medium, so obviously it will bend. Okay, so it will bend towards the normal because air is rarer medium, glass is a denser medium. If we will reverse the medium from glass to air, it will enter, then it will move away from normal. Okay, so simply you keep in your mind that refraction of light is a bending of light when light enters from one medium to another medium. Okay, and what is prism? So dear students, prism is a transparent solid body. I hope you know that what are transparent bodies, transparent and opaque, you are studying in your lower standard also. So your prism is a transparent body and it has two triangular base and three rectangular lateral surfaces. Means simply you can say that it is a 3D picture, and 3D images you can't show on pages. So on page you can simply draw it like a triangle. Okay, so this is your prism and this angle is known as your angle of prism. Dear students, refraction through angle of prism means जब भी आपके पास light incident करती है prism के ऊपर तो वो कैसे bend होती है. So let us see, this is your incident ray. Whenever it will fall on prism, obviously outside it is air, but prism is made up of glass, so it will bend towards the normal, and again whenever it is going from glass to air, it will move away from normal. These two are your normals. Okay, so it is very simple. Once again I can draw it at the side. This is your prism. Ray is entering, then it will bend, so these are, it is forming three rays. These are two normals, and these two rays, first is called as incident ray, second is called as emergent ray, and this central one you can call refracted ray. So this is simple diagram which is showing the refraction through prism. So one thing you need to note here, that whenever incident ray is incidenting on prism, it will bend, and the word we will use here is deviate. What it will do? It will deviate. Once again I am writing here, it will deviate. Okay, so what do you mean by deviate? Deviate means अपने path से भटकना, deviate करना. It will bend. Okay, the word we will use here, deviate. So it will deviate from its path. I hope it is clear. Okay, so next is dispersion of light. Here this deviation is very important term. Okay, so the topic is dispersion of light by prism. So dear students, what is dispersion? Dispersion is also a word related to deviate only. Dispersion means whenever light is passing through prism, then what will happen? Students, I hope that you know that this white light which we can see, the white light, it is nothing but it is a combination of 7 colors. It is a combination of 7 colors, and those 7 colors are Vivgyor. Those 7 colors are Vivgyor. So always keep in mind, white color, white light is a combination of 7 colors, and those 7 colors you can keep in your mind by the letters Vivgyor. Vivgyor. So Vivgyor, V means violet, I means indigo, B means blue, G means green, Y means yellow, O means orange, and R means red. Okay, and red color you can see from far away, so that's why we say that its wavelength is very large. The wavelength of red color is very high. In 9th standard you have studied what is wavelength. Okay, so wavelength of red color is highest, means सबसे ज़्यादा, and frequency of violet color is highest. Okay, so that means wavelength of red color is more and frequency of violet color is more. So wavelength is increasing in this direction. Wavelength of red color is highest, wavelength of violet color is lowest, whereas frequency red color frequency is least, सबसे कम, and violet color frequency is highest. Okay, so when a white light, you just see the definition of dispersion. When a white light is passed through a glass prism, it will supplet, means bikharna, it will supplet into 7 constituent colors, and this phenomena is known as dispersion of light. Okay, so you can see through diagram also that white light is going and then it is getting dispersed, means ये split हो जाती है 7 colors में. Keep in mind how 7 colors you have to write, not from top to bottom, you have to write it from bottom to top, with gyor. Okay, and you need to write the name of each color also. So students, you can see here that whenever white light is going, it is deviating into 7 color, लेकिन सबसे ज़्यादा deviate कौन हो रहा है, which is most deviated? You can see that violet सबसे नीचे है, तो सबसे ज़्यादा deviated कौन है? Violet. And सबसे कम deviated कौन है? Red. Very important question, especially for those who are preparing for Children's Science Congress quiz group. Okay, so which color is deviated most? Red color is least deviated and violet color is most deviated. Okay, so students, this is all about your dispersion. And now one very important phenomena is there which is based upon dispersion, and we call it rainbow. Obviously everyone feels happy to see rainbow, and if you have observed then rainbow you can't see on sunny day. When you can see rainbow, a rainbow can only be seen after rain. Just after rain you can see the rainbow. And what is rainbow? So rainbow is nothing but it is a natural spectrum of colors with gyor. 7 colors you can see in rainbow, which can be seen in the sky just after rain if observer's back is towards the sun. Only you can see it just opposite to sun. If sun is towards your west direction, so obviously the rainbow you can see towards east direction. That means opposite to the sun, and observers means your back should be towards sun. Now what is the reason behind this rainbow formation? So students, behind this rainbow formation, the reason is dispersion of light, because after rain there will left some tiny water droplets, छोटी छोटी water की droplets जो बचेंगी, they will behave like a small prism, और जब भी light small prism से pass करेगी, it will get split into 7 colors. Okay, and sometimes they ask that what are the 3 phenomena which are responsible for this. If only one phenomena they will ask, then simply it is dispersion of light. But it is in higher standard that not dispersion of light, but there are 3 phenomena behind rainbow. First is dispersion of light, second is refraction of light, and third is total internal reflection. Okay, so students, I hope you understood my today's topic, which was totally based upon prism. Okay, and dispersion of light. So go through this video once again and write notes in your notes notebook. Again and again I'm telling that notes are very important. Don't write from here and there, like from internet you are writing the wrong language. That is not a perfect one. Okay, you need to write perfect language and important topics only. Okay, you don't need to write history, you need to write to the point answer and crispy answers. So please follow my notes only, because language you may change. I'm not asking you to write each and everything ditto. Okay, but the meaning should be correct. Okay, so this is enough for today. Thank you. Have a good day.